Hello, you are watching InstaForex News, presented to you by InstaForex News team and me, Kate Nidachina. The main challenge for the Bank of Japan seems to be the deflation flight presently, and its major target has been reached at 1% inflation, as reported in the bank meeting minutes published on Monday. For struggling against the real problem, most members of the bank executive board have decided to expand the bond purchase program to $886 billion. The government is going to buy long-term bonds with the purpose of putting down the yield rate and reduce the debt rate. However, not all members supported liquidity injections into the banking system. There are many doubts relative to the efficiency of such measures. Aside from deflationary risks in Japan, there are no positive changes in the labor market. The unemployment rate has been holding within 4.5–4.6% for 7 months already. Meanwhile, the number of vacancies increases. Negative dynamics is noted in the consumer sector as well. In April, the retail sales downtrend of 0.3% was fixed versus the expected 0.1% rise. It appears that government measures of economic support make no sense anymore, and the economic growth is slackening to be expected in the country. It was InstaForex News and me, Kate Nidachina. Bye.